Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you these two gorgeous bridesmaids hairstyles. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these looks, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using some booster gel to achieve this look, and a rat tail comb, some bobby pins, as well as some scrunchies. So I'm just going to start sectioning my hair from ear to ear. I just wanted like more of the hair on the top and less of the hair on the bottom. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm just going to take the hair on the bottom and secure it with the scrunchie just to hold it so I can sleek that down later. And I'm going to start working with the front, guys. When I go to the front, I'm just going to section the hair again on the side, just the way I'm doing right there, guys, because I want to have a cornrow going all the way to the top right there. And I'll do this on both sides. And then I'm going to take some booster gel, just to make sure the line is nice and crisp. The reason why I'm doing this cornrow, guys, is because I just wanted to spice up the hairstyle. You can do without it, but I just wanted, a little bit of oomph, okay? Just wanted to have like a little bit of a little excitement going on with the sleek down. If you don't want to have the cornrow, you can just sleek down the hair on the top and on the bottom. That's fine too. That looks really nice as well. I'm going to start sleeking the hair down in the back right there. So I'm just using, my booster gel, my Diana brush, a little bit of water just to make sure my hair is really nice and manageable. You gotta add enough gel for this 4C hair to lay all the way down, sis. Okay. I told you guys about the Diana brush. Oh my gosh. I actually ordered me another one because, sis, this brush right here. Okay. In the front right there, I'm just going to add the gel as well, make sure it's really nice and sleeked all the way down. Alright guys, now that I'm done sleeking my hair down, I'm just going to take my brush, the little brush that I got from Amazon already. You know what it is by now. Okay, sister. And, just to make those little baby hairs or whatever, the drill right about now. Okay, so I'm just going to take my styling strips and lay these edges and lay the hair down, sis. And then I'm just going to take my silky scarf as well and just lay this hair down. And we got the makeup done, sis. All right. It's got the Garnier, shine Garnier. And I'm just going to spray it on my hair so my hair is really nice and shiny. And I'm taking this Cuban hair. This is just one pack of the Cuban hair. This is the 16 inches. And I'm just going to, separate it into two because I didn't want this hairstyle to be like too bulky. I'm going to secure the hair on the back right there, with the scrunchie, and then I'll just start going around. So I'm just twisting and going around, guys. So just the way I'm doing right there and making this into a bun. So it's nothing fancy, guys, nothing, it's not very hard to do. Just like twisting it and then going around and tucking it in. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right there. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to secure it with some bobby pins. So I just used about 3 or 4 bobby pins just to make sure this is really nice and secure. Okay, guys, this is just like a normal regular bun that you can achieve with the Cuban twist. Okay, Cuban twist hair. So I'm just taking the second part and then placing it on my head, and then I'll start twisting it and going round again. After I do that, I'm just going to take my bobby pins and then secure it. And then I got this accessory from Amazon. Yes, sister, the wedding is red. Okay, color red. So I got this little earrings that I'm rocking and this red dress. And then that's about it, sis. Oh my gosh. Like, this bridal hairstyle is the business. Yee! You can even actually rock this as a bride. I wish I added like a bridal accessory to it, but you know what? Today was not about the bride. Today was about the bridesmaids. Okay. Moving on, we're going to style number 2, guys. So we're using the same exact amount of hair. So I just placed the hair again on top of my head. I actually put the styling strip back on just because I didn't want to ruin my sleek down. You know, this 4C hair, if it starts, you know, flipping up, it's not gonna be cute. I just separated the hair into 2, and then I'm just gonna start twisting all the way down, guys. Okay. And then I'm going to place the other hair on the bottom, and then I'm just going to twist that into one twist, guys. So just one single twist on the bottom and then 2 on the top. Okay, now to the styling. So I'm just going to take one of the twists, bring it closer to your forehead, and then to the back where you have the little pony. So you don't have to hide the pony. It's going to be hidden when we are done with the style, guys. Okay, so right there, and then just secure it with some bobby pins. And then the second one, you're just going to take it and then tuck it in just the way I'm doing right there. And then use some bobby pins to secure it, guys. Okay. And then the back, you're just going to flip it and cover your natural hair. Then flip it all the way back and tuck it in. Just the way I'm doing right there, guys. Okay? And then use some bobby pins to secure. The whole point is to have this style looking like your actual hair. Like the way it's looking right there, it looks like I just flipped and twisted and did whatever to my natural hair. This is it, guys, and I just added this green accessory because I'm wearing a green dress and some gold earrings just because my green accessory has some goldies, you know. And that's about it, sis. Oh my gosh, I love this one as well, just like the first one. Then you just adjust it with your hands, and baby, that's it. Okay, here is your bridesmaid. Just imagine looking at 4 girls looking like this on your wedding. Oh my gosh. And you can even actually turn this into a bridal hairstyle. You know what I'm saying? This is really cute, very elegant, natural looking. This is more like, you know, if you have natural hair, but you still want to look cute at your best friend's wedding or whatever. I'm really excited about this styles, guys. Let me know which one you guys are rocking with, which one you guys prefer between the two, and which one I look better in. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and make sure you turn on your notifications so you do not miss out on any uploads that I share with you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.